They hand you a pen with a big, big smile. Say, just sign here and you're gonna live in style. Keep the pen, you're on file. We'll be calling you in a little while. Then cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. There's a lot of fine print and dotted lines. You walk away just feeling fine until you feel the hook and you're behind. You reach the end and you're out of time. Then cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. I could one little card have so much power, make you feel taller than a CN tower. Then they tear you down in a single hour and sift you out like whole wheat flour. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. Well, my chair broke another leg today. The salesman said, buddy, that's okay. Just sign up here and take a new one away. It's one whole year before you have to pay. Then cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. Well, my little kid just need brand new shoes. Mama's out there and she's singing the blues, and I'm 2 cents short of blowing a fuse. The phone keeps ringing to pay my dues. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. How could one little card have so much power, make you feel taller than the CN tower? Then they tear you down in a single hour, then sift you out like whole wheat flour. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy. Cough it up, buddy, and take it to the bank. And take it to the bank.